Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I am docLUXURY and I'm here with another video. This time, guess what? I have more boxes and packages to unbox. So yeah, stay tuned to see what I got. This is a little bit different than what I am used to because the items that are in these packages, they cost less than $100. I think in fact they cost about like maybe $50 to $60 a piece. So if you had seen my previous video where I showed you guys my eBay watch list, you may have seen a couple items on there that weren't really, you know, typical luxury. I mean, to some people in the world, this is luxury, you know, let's get real, but to the people that are watching this video in the luxury community here on YouTube, this probably wouldn't really be considered luxury. So yeah, let me go ahead and open it up. So I'll open up the bag first, and I'm not sure which one is in each of these packages, so I'm just going to open them up. Okay, so it's a box. Uh-oh. You can see it is, if you're familiar with a shoe box, this is a shoe box and it is from Reebok. So let me throw away the packaging. So this one came up to $48.99. Okay, so, and I'll just do this like a regular unboxing just so you guys can see it with me. Okay, so here we go. These are brand new. And it's a little bit noisy because of the paper, but look at that shoe. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is so cute. So I'll just use, I'll take out one shoe. You can see it is a Reebok pump. If you can see that little button right there. So these are probably, so let me show you real quick the shoes that I'm going to be replacing these with. So these are kind of gross, but I do have, you can see I've worn these to death. And these, I worn these to play tennis. I've worn these to just walk around the lake. And I love these shoes. I mean, they're probably the most comfortable pair of shoes that I own. And yeah, I just love them. I remember when I was a kid, having a Reebok pump shoe was, you know, a big deal. And for me personally, it was a big deal because I did own a pair of Reebok pump shoes. My older brother did also. And I remember they cost over $100. And, you know, growing up, I wasn't, my family wasn't rich. And so when I was able to convince my mom to buy, you know, these pair of shoes, it was a pretty big deal. And we usually only were limited to like one pair of shoes a year. So we usually got one pair before each school, you know, year after the summer. And yeah, I remember quite vividly the pair of shoes that I had, which were the Reebok pumps, and they were high tops at the time. These are not, as you can see, but yeah, they basically have air pockets in here, and you can basically, like it says, you could pump it right up, and the air pockets basically just conform around your foot, and it's just amazing. And this little If you can see, if it'll focus, there's a little ball bearing right there. You just push that in and the air comes right out. But yeah, so let's get to the second one. Let me put this one away, or I'll leave that right here. Alright, second box. Got my blade. And if you saw my eBay watch list video, this is the only other shoe that was on there, so this will probably not be a surprise to a few of you, but let's go ahead and open this up together. Alright, so here we go. Oh, this is a fancy looking box. You can see it says The Pump. Okay. Alright, so how do I open this thing? Okay, so this is like a drawer box. Ta-da! Again, these are brand new, and I forget the price of these. I think these came from Canada, but I think these were like $60. And there you go. So this one's a cute one. It has a strap right here, and again, it does have the pump right here where you could pump it up. And yeah, this is cute. So I have never owned a pair of Yeezys. I know a lot of people swear by that shoe being the most comfortable, but I mean, this is what I know, you see. So I did buy these shoes to welcome in spring, and thank goodness, I hope the snow is not gonna come back, because this winter has been brutal, and yeah, I just have not been liking living here in Minnesota. If you guys did not know, I live in the north, I guess you could call it the northwest, or well, like in the center of the country. And yeah, I would not wear these, you know, out in the snow. But I do plan to, you know, pick up my tennis racket again and play some tennis when the snow all melts. And yeah, I'm just excited to have these shoes. So let me show you guys again. This is the first pair of shoe that I got. So this, I think it's red. And so it got blue, red, and white. And on the front, it says... what does it say? It says The Pump. I don't know if you could see it. And these are nice because they're like slip-ons. This this tongue, I guess that's what it's called. It's basically attached to the shoe, and so you don't have to worry about, you know, the tongue slipping into the shoe when you put your shoe on. So I thought that was a really ingenious idea for them to make with this shoe. Alright, and then here is the other one, and this is, I worry about this getting all dirty because it is all white. Well, not all white, but it's mostly white. It has a blue sole. You can see on the bottom side it's a nice royal blue. And yeah, so what do you guys think? For those of you who do have Yeezys, please let me know how those feel, or if you even have a pair of Reebok pumps and Yeezys, if you guys can compare them. I have tried to get a pair of Yeezys before, but they are practically impossible to try to get, you know, retail. And it's just like, you know, Supreme items, once they hit the market, or once they go live, within seconds they're already sold out. And I did try this last time to try to get the Yeezy Boost, and yeah, did not get them. So I will try again next time. But the new Yeezys are just disgusting. They're ugly. And so I'm not gonna get those. But yeah, anyways, I digress. I just wanted to show you guys a little different part of me, everything I do isn't always luxury. And so, yeah, so this is the new pairs of shoes that I got. Oh, and I just checked they are the correct size. But yeah, I hope you liked it, and I definitely recommend these shoes. So, you know, give them a try and let me know what you think. Until next time, you guys, remember to be you and stay confident. Take care. Goodbye.